Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious crispy fish tacos. These are the ingredients. And to make our fish tacos really crispy, we start by adding some flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. We mix all of these dry ingredients and we also add a little bit of paprika. You can add about 1 teaspoon of it. And we give this another stir before we add our water. We add 1 cup of water. We're gonna do this slowly, okay? We're looking for a pancake mix consistency, just like this. And we just let it sit for about 20-30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we get our tilapia and cut it through the middle. And cut it again through the middle to make some strips. You can leave it long like this, or you can cut it in the middle like I just did to make like little fingers, okay? And we just repeat this process with all of our tilapias. I am using only 3. It will make enough for my family, but if you want to make more and double this recipe, you can also do that. Okay, we heat up our pan and add our oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil or whatever you have on hand. Okay, and we start dipping our little tilapias on the mixture and placing them on the oil so we can fry them. Okay, and when they are golden brown, we start turning them around. When they are golden brown on both sides, they are ready, so we can start placing them on a paper towel. For the chipotle sauce, we mix together the 4 tablespoons of mayo and we add 3 tablespoons of chipotle. And we add a little bit of water to blend everything out. When it is done, I like to pour this sauce on top of the cabbage to make a little salad, like a coleslaw, similar. If you want, you can do this, or you can just add the sauce directly to your tacos. To put these delicious tacos together, I like to put my corn tortilla on a plate, add a little bit of chipotle sauce, and then start adding the crispy fish fingers that we just did. And then we just top it off with our cabbage salad. And you can always add a little bit of hot sauce if you would like. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.